My name is Sarah. I am a mom of 3 kids and my youngest has a ton of allergies. When it comes down to breakfast foods, one thing that Matan is always asking for that is so easy to find for his older brother and sister is waffles. How do you get vegan waffles that Matan is not allergic to? I have yet to find them, so I make them. We are going to be making allergy-friendly waffles. Now, because this is on my watch, these are gonna be healthy waffles. It's not just gonna be your junky, crappy, bready, carby waffles. They're going to have the fruits and vegetables and nutrients that every growing kid needs. So we're gonna start with our base. This is my handy dandy Vitamix. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna start with all the fruit that Matan can eat that I need to get rid of that's going bad, because I just opened up my refrigerator and I had a ton. He can eat pears. I had a bunch of pears, so I just cut those open. I've got some half-eaten, open bananas. My daughter opened this one and saw that there was some brown on it, and she's like, forget it, I'm not eating it. Well, we're gonna use that and she's gonna eat it and have no idea that she's even eating it. These are some leftover uneaten lunch bananas. I'm gonna add in these extra 2 bananas. Maybe 1 since we have all those pears. We'll see. Next, we need spinach, right? For all that iron. We need some carrots. Oat milk again. This is Back to the Planet oat milk. I love for the flavoring doing the vanilla one when I'm doing these like mixes and stuff. This is very similar if you watch my video on making my dino cookies or my healthy cookie, healthy cake. This is a similar concoction. Again, it's based on the fruits and vegetables that I have in my house at the time. Let's blend this up to make some room so that we can add those blueberries in a minute. So I'm gonna put this right here. Okay, hence the dino cookie. Or the Shrek cookie. It'll probably be a hit come St. Patty's Day. Now this might turn a little purple. That's a lot of blueberries. Now to add some sweetness to it, I'm gonna put in some date syrup. Sometimes I do it with honey, but when I have date syrup, I prefer to use that. It's lower in sugar than honey. I'm just gonna add some honey. We need to add some flour and then some baking soda, baking powder. So I'm going to be using some oat flour. That way I feel like, you know, if he's not eating a bowl of oatmeal, he's eating some oat waffles. It's got his fruits, his vegetables, some extra protein from the oat flour, a little healthier than just some regular flour. I'm gonna put a little baking soda. A little baking powder. So we are at the waffling point where we've made our base and now it's time to put it in the griddle. Again, as I've mentioned before, I've got my spray. It's canola oil, there's no soy in it. So I am going to spray the hell out of this thing because I don't want waffles that are gonna stick to the grill. I'm gonna turn it on and we are gonna pour. I'm gonna help it spread around a little. You want it to be liquidy enough that it could spread out, but you want it to also harden. But because Matan is 4 and he loves chocolate chips and mommy likes to make him happy, I'm going to put some of his Allergy-Friendly chocolate chips in. I did something before about this is my hack, my chocolate chip hack I buy after Passover. Let's close that up. And we'll let this cook out and see how it turns out. You could say like, all right, so when I take it, I do the dump. Oh, okay, I'm the glove. Let's see what happens. There we go. I think our waffles are done. They are. It smells kind of like a cookie. I'm not gonna lie. I want to eat it. 1, 2, 3, flip and dump. Pat it out. Did it come out? Yeah! We have it. We have our waffles that are Matan friendly. They have spinach in them. They have carrots in them. They have oat flour, pear, banana, blueberry. I feel like this is a mom-approved, healthy certified breakfast that I feel pretty good about giving my son if he wants it.